Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video is a quick tip video on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I know you decided to pick up either the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Note 10 and you're trying to turn off your phone. You hold down the power button and actually Bixby shows up and you can't turn off your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you two quick, easy ways of actually turning off your phone. I don't know why Samsung decided to copy Apple and put the Bixby and the power button together just like they do the power button in Siri, but they did it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually turn off your phone. So here's the beautiful Note 10 Plus. Now, if I hold down the power button, Bixby actually comes up, which makes no sense. Now, if you want to turn it off, you can hold down the power button and the volume down. And it will give you the options of turning it off. Bam. That's actually pretty easy. The other way is actually a little bit easier too. If you slide down your notifications, top right corner here, you hit the little power button. You can actually turn it off there too. Let's do that again. Slide down your notifications, top right, and you can turn it off or restart the phone, whatever you want to do. But that is a quick and easy way of turning off your phone. Again, I don't know why Samsung did it that way. Look, there's Bixby right there. I don't even have it set up yet. I don't know why Samsung did it, but they did. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.